Let's start with the fire block. You can use this block to attack your rival. If the tank shell hit your rival, it can cause 1 point damage. Each tank has 4 health points per round. The life bar showing above the tank indicates how many health points remaining. Now, let's learn how to move our tank with these blocks. I grab it, go straight block. In every move block, you can adjust the power which affect how fast the tank moves. I'll fill in the blank with pen. Let's see what will happen. As you can see, the tank only moves slightly. So, I'll use a loop to keep the tank moving. How about move backwards? You can simply fill in the blank with negative number so that your tank can go backwards. Let's put these blocks aside. There are different ways to move your tank. For example, let's try go straight for seconds block. The first blank represents the power of the tank, and the second blank controls how many seconds your tank moves. Now, the tank moves just like what we set, go straight for 2 seconds. You can adjust the power and time whatever you want. Let's try go straight for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Okay, next, we're gonna use turn left block. Just like when we use go straight block, we will need a loop to keep it turning. Let's start with turn left block. It looks great and turns smoothly. Let's try move faster, and then this time we use turn right block. Pretty well, as good as turn left block. You can also set how many seconds to turn by using the turn right for seconds and turn left for seconds blocks. Here, we briefly demonstrate this function, as you already know how it works. Here's the drawback of this timer function I would like to inform you. When you use these kinds of move blocks, your tank cannot run other codes until it finishes this instruction. So, it's important to choose appropriate functions while coding. Apart from setting the time, we can also set a specific angle to change the tank's direction. Say, we want the tank to make a 90-degree left turn. Here, we can use turn left angles block. The first blank represents the power of the tank, and the second blank controls how many degrees your tank moves. Same as turn for seconds block. The next instruction will not be carried out until finishing turn for angles block. Next, there are 2 vital blocks used to receive data. They are measure distance and measure azimuth. Usually, we want the data all the time, so we need a loop to achieve it. When your rival is in front of your tank, the enemy distance variable will show the distance between 2 tanks. If your tank is facing the boundaries, wall distance variable will show the distance between your tank and boundaries. Apart from that, the enemy distance will be set to 0. With these 2 variables, you can create a smarter tank. Finally, we can start creating the model we want. Here, I'm gonna demonstrate how to create a simple model. We need a loop, if-else statement, comparison, and an enemy distance variable. When the enemy distance variable is greater than 0, the tank will fire. Otherwise, the tank will keep turning until it finds the target. As you can see, the wall_distance variable is changing. Now when it faces the rival, you can see the reading is changing. Here you have it, a model created by yourself.